Good evening, this is Melissa with the Stock Swoosh, and tonight I'm going to talk about a gap that happened today. It's actually a continuation gap, okay? This is AMRN. I watched this Friday, didn't play it Friday. I did not rate high on Friday, it rated a 19, and a 19, it's a 50-50 chance of working. Now, that being said, okay, I saw it yesterday. I called it in my trading room yesterday. And then I had it on my watch list for this morning. Why? I'll tell you why. Yesterday went down to 932. It's an exact number. Boop. This bottoming tail here with the green little head. This is where experience just trumps everything else, because my guttural instinct said this thing was gonna go under that today. Okay, I didn't know that it would have this incredible move that it had today, but I knew that it was going to break that area. And I knew if it broke over here, under 930 and 932, it was a goner. Okay? Really, honestly, if people take my class and are in my room, they're gonna have such a high chance to succeed, such an incredibly high chance to succeed. I want people to succeed. I'm succeeding. It's just sometimes I even do amaze myself. I quick saw this. I saw this broke here in the first 5 minutes under that 930 right here. And I screamed and called it out in the room and said, take it to 921. It was in this right up here. Stop had to be over 933. And luckily people in my room took it. Okay. I don't think anybody got a better price than this. Nobody, I don't think any trader out there got a better price than this, because I saw what I saw on the daily chart. And I had such conviction in the continuation of the gap. And I knew that if it broke that area, which it did right here in the first 5 minutes. Not only did it break it, but it broke it in the first 5 minutes, which is what I teach in the class. In the first 5 to 15 minutes of the day is everything that is going to happen on something happens almost in the first five minutes of the day. Swishes happen in the first 5 minutes of the day. Breaks happen in the first 5 minutes of the day. That the first 5 minutes to 15 minutes of the day is everything. You've got to learn how to trade this. I'm telling you, you have to if you're going to trade gaps. And if you're going to make money, okay, without a crazy amount of risk, which obviously we would all prefer to do. Because we can play heavier then. Heavier and tighter and cleaner. Clean. Stop over here, okay? Nice little base forming here, and look at this beautiful thing going on here. First target has to be $9. Okay, first target had to be $9, and I think I said $8.91, and it went right in here, right into the reversal time, and wouldn't you know it, it just did this sandwich of the green bar here, the red bar here, and dropped off like this. Look at this thing just fell off a cliff. And then reset up right away. It's really quickly right here at 10:15. This is probably where every other trading room in the world then saw it, because obviously it comes up on the scanners then, and it had another huge push down all the way down like 50 cents. Now, this had a chance to reset up today. I was watching it to reset up, but the fact is it is a double bottom right here in the 1 minute and the 2 minute, and it was done for the day then after that move. But I was really studying this in here. Really, it had a chance right here to go. This was the chance for it to go the second time, and it's set up nicely, okay? But then I knew if it went back over $9, it was not gonna fall through. As it turned out, it just pittered off the rest of the day. It just pittered off like this the rest of the day here. And I don't think it went over 907, did it? Oh, it did by 1 penny. I was gonna say, did it go over this area here? It did by a couple pennies. But what a nice call this was. I mean, I even surprised myself. If I can learn to trust myself every waking hour of every waking day and every second I trade, I wonder what my results would be. My results are good now, but if I could have 100% just trustworthiness in my instinct and gut, honestly, I wonder what my results would be. I screamed it out and called it in the room. People took it with me. It happened like that. And then a lot of people, I guess, in other rooms saw it. But this was so nice. This was so nice. Let's just see, where did this go to any kind of area here? Let me just look at it. $8.20 and $8 was something too. I still like this down to $8. I don't know if it does it tomorrow now after the day it had today. but it did retrace back up more than 50% of the move now in that bounce, and it did do that double bottom. So, and you know what the other thing is? I saw the market this morning. And this broke that area this morning, and the market was pushing higher. That's another reason I loved it. It's another reason it was such a nice call. To have a move like this and get this kind of thing like this on a day that the market is screaming bullish, I'm sorry, people. This is just not luck. This is skill. This is skill all over it. This is a reason to join my trading room. This is a reason to take my class and know how to trade gaps. This is to get something like this right here when the market is screaming bullish on the day as a short, and to get this kind of thing. This is not luck, people. Okay. So, you know, if you're interested in taking my gap class or joining my trading room, please email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. And, you know, it turned out to be a better day than expected. And of course, in the middle of December, that's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing. It's not earnings season at all right now. And to get moves like this out of the blue is so terrific. So this is AMRN, continuation gap. Nice move today. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. And thank you and have a great night.